Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're serious about protecting your ride with the latest dashcam tech, then the ROVE R2-4K DUAL dashcam is about to be your new best friend. With cutting-edge 4K Ultra HD recording, STARVIS 2 low light performance, and blazing fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, this dual dashcam gives you both peace of mind and top-tier video quality. Let's start with the visuals. The ROVE R2-4K DUAL captures stunning 4K UHD 2160p footage from the front and Full HD 1080p from the rear. Whether it's day or night, you'll see crisp license plates, road signs, and every little detail thanks to its Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, optimized for both clarity and night vision. This is not your average cam, it's built to capture everything with professional-grade optics. A major bonus, it comes with a free 128GB micro SD card, so you're good to go right out of the box. No hidden costs, no extra purchases. Combine that with 5 GHz Wi-Fi offering speeds up to 20 MB/s, and you can instantly review, download, and share your footage on the ROVE app without pulling out the card or connecting wires. One of the standout features is its 24-hour parking mode. Even when your engine is off, this cam stays alert, recording motion or impacts while parked. That's huge for keeping your car safe overnight or in public spaces. You also get a 3 IPS screen, built-in GPS tracking, loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and a sleek, compact form factor that doesn't obstruct your windshield view. ROVE even throws in voice guidance and time-lapse features for creative and convenient recording. Installation is a breeze with the included mounts and USB power options. Whether you're using it in a personal car, ride-share vehicle, or work truck, this camera is designed for seamless use, reliability, and long-term performance. If you're ready to level up your vehicle security and driving documentation, the ROVE R2-4K DUAL dashcam is a top-tier choice. Tap the link below to grab yours now, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more awesome tech drops.